What's good, assholes? Today 52-inch Emerson Premium, I think it's a premium. It's a really nice fucking fan. I got from some fan quite that cameras, man, at Emerson for $20. So, yeah. It's in pretty good shape. The boards are not the best of the rest of it's in pretty good shape, I must say. The you bastards are close up. This added because I didn't have this is a factory. What's a factory flower? No play brackets. France. That the one new. Where's the one that's on fire? I was marked there. This one. Yeah. On the top. This one has two. Well, whatever I was in, that one has one. I don't know what it was. I'll have to camp it because it does have slush, so take up this one. Kind of reminds my Cush Bunker, but I love how the design is like that. Probably in pretty good shape. Jiggle a little bit. But there's no wobbles, so yeah. What about, sorry, our dryer's a faggot, someone. When my channel well works there too, but my channel well, cause that really told me to. I must say, it's really nice. One goes looks a lot, but doesn't wobble, so I ain't messing with it. It's presented, so I'm gonna wait like that. There's low speed. A light looks good, a camera shine on the lights. And shit really does have a good light speed. Good washcloth fan, you know? Sorry guys. That's good. Alright, that's one. Speed up right quick. Yep. On the door I can feel nice waste. It's cool now. We're gonna bedroom, no problem. Good to sleep with as well. For people that like in the face. I love everything like this, my room. My sounds are too low. Better sound like this, possibly. Because some 42% margin low. I try to have two small fans in there. If I had to sound like this and I could try to find that little bit shorter down on put this model. It's not nice for some. Think you have terrible thing on the wall. Full speed ahead. She got high vision because to improve balance. It is born to river. It is born. Africa is hauling ass. Good for hot days. I said so much this from me seeing out last year, 2 years ago. And my father's still on around for it. Just possible to cost one, but honestly, my dad two's the reason. Oh, guys, me too, my dad too. I have a doctor too right here back to school. So I want to see what's possible. First of all, the Russian speak. We're doing too much real fast, but not much. Alright, let's do one breakfast. Not much, alright. Hey, how are you? I think there's a little more possible. But also might be a location. So, I don't know. This one's a hard down. It's, I don't know. Motion in my head. Spin down. It's weird, it does seem stiff. I will say that, I forgot to say that. It seems stiff, but there's not a single my brain noise, so I don't need to mess with it. Oh my god, I want to spin down the moon. As long as it winds, it speeds up on all of its speeds and it's quiet. We're good. It's fucking quiet. When I turned on the motor of just the boy breakers, I was shocked how quiet it was. In my home, about not to dry on, but there's no bandwidth or anything like that. So I know of it is pretty fucking quiet. So it's start to it, but it's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Let's hold that. Baby. Speak. That's in my Delta 2. Actually looks slow, I think, than all my Delta 2. I know very similar things. Speeds and all that. We do this. I'm not patient to what speak on me and stuff. On the door, it's one. This is a good hallway for me. I want a big hallway. Some people do. Not the best. Oh, it's been a good thing, that's for sure. Emerson, you cable profile? I don't know what will profile stock or what, but it won't fall never losing, you know. Yeah. Girlfriend's room is similar, you know, to that. It's more than the door. Girlfriend's man, really. Right. I will do a startup. Talk about switch. I still in that stuff. So. Love how fast it starts up. Mine's like what 4 seconds or something. I feel good for honestly. Alright, well. Down the road. So you know what? No. Actually, no. I'll take a shit and saw me so we can get to the one time in. So, yeah. Like, share, and subscribe, and peace out. Pissies. So my camera's fucked up. What the hell? Sorry guys, my camera won't stop.